Hi students, in this video section on differentiation of polynomial function such as fx equal 1 over x cube or y equal x over square root of y equal 2x square into 4x plus 6 in the form. This video containing some problem solve questions also. We'll see this question fx equal 1 over x cube. This question you should change it as differentiable form, like fx equal, you should take this denominator as a numerator. When you take the denominator to numerator, you should write x over power minus 3, negative power. Positive power change it to negative power. Therefore, f dash x differentiate with respect to x. You should take this minus 3 front, minus 3 x over power minus 3 minus 1. Now you can write f dash x equal minus 3 x over power minus 3 minus 1 minus 4. Now you can bring down this negative power. F dash x equal minus 3 over x over power 4. This negative power, when you bring down x over power 4, positive power x over power 4, this numerator you are going to change it to denominator. Therefore, negative power going to change positive power. We will see second question, fx equal x over square root of x. You should simplify this fx equal x over square root of x. You can write x over power half. Therefore, fx equal x, you should take this x over power half up. Therefore, x into x over power minus half. Therefore, fx equal, here power 1, therefore x over power 1 minus half. The same basis you can add the indices, therefore x to the power 1 minus half. Therefore, fx equal x over power 1 minus half means half. Now you can differentiate fx equal x over power half. Here fx equal x over power half. Now you can write f dash x differentiate with respect to x. Take this half front, therefore half x over power half minus 1, that is half x over power half minus 1 minus half. Now you can change it to positive power, therefore 1 over 2 x over power half. This you can write like this, 1 over 2 square root of x. This is the answer for the second question. Now we'll see the third question, y equal x plus 3 whole in square. This question you should expand this x plus 3 whole in square. Therefore, y equal x plus 3 whole in square, you can write like this, x plus 3 into x plus 3. After that you should multiply this. How can you multiply? This x, you should take this x and multiply to this, and take this x and multiply to this. 3 and multiply here, take this 3 and multiply here, take this 3 and multiply here. Therefore, you can write this x into x into x, x square, x into plus 3 plus 3x, 3 into x plus 3x, plus 3 into plus 3, 9. Therefore, you can rewrite this one, y equal x squared plus 3x plus 3x, 6x plus 9. Now you can differentiate dy over dx, differentiate y with respect to x. You should take this 2 front, 2 x of power 2 minus 1, 1 plus 6x, differentiation of 6x, 6. This differentiation 9, number differentiation 0. Therefore dy over dx, we got 2x plus 6. Students, look here. With third question, we did it y equal x plus 3 squared, this squared. Sometimes you can meet the question 2x plus 3 to the power of 4 or 5, the 2x plus 7 to the power of 5. Sometimes you can meet the more power question, no need to expand. Next chapter we will study chain rule. According to the chain rule, we can so easily solve this type of problem. There's more power problem, we can easily show like chain rule, and we can differentiate very quickly with the chain rule. Now you can see the fourth question, y equal 2x squared bracket 4x plus 6. This type of question you should multiply inside. When you multiply, you take this and multiply with the 4x, that is 8x cube. X squared into x, x cube, 2 into 4, 8. After that you should take this 2x squared, multiply to this 6, that is 12x squared. After that you can differentiate with respect to x, dy over dx equal 8 here. You take the 3 front, 3 into x squared, you should reduce 1 power. After that you take this 2 front, 12 into 2 into x to the power 2 minus 1, 2 minus 1, 1. Now you simplify this, 8 into 3, 24 x squared plus 12 into 2, 24x. Therefore dy by dx, 24x squared plus 24x. You see this question, this x cube, y equal x cube plus 2x squared over 3x. This type of question you have common denominator 3x. This is common denominator, this denominator belongs to this, and this denominator belongs to this. This denominator belongs to both. Therefore you split this denominator to everyone. Y equal x cube over 3x plus 2x squared over 3x. Now you can simplify this one. X cube, x you can cut, therefore x squared over 3 plus you can cut this and this, therefore 2x over 3. You can cut 1x here and here, 1x here and here, 1x. Therefore x squared here, here x. Now you can differentiate dy over dx equal, take 2 front, 2 x over 1 over 3 plus 2 over 3x differentiation, 2 over 3 number only, x differentiation of x1. Therefore answer is 2x over 3 plus 2 over 3. Now we'll see the story question, like question number 6. Find the gradient of the curve with the equation fx equal x plus 2 into x plus 3 at the point 2, 3. 2, 3 is the coordinate point on the coordinate axis. We should find the gradient of this function at this point. First you should expand and simplify this function. Here you should take the x and multiply to here, and multiply to here x, and take multiply to here, multiply to here. First we should simplify this function. Therefore fx equal, like x into x, x squared, x into 3, 3x, 2 into x plus 2x, 2 into plus 2 into plus 3, 6. Now you can write fx equal x square. You can add these 3x plus 2x, 5x plus 6. Now we should differentiate f dash x equal, we take 2 from 2 x over 1 plus differentiation of 5x 5, differentiation of number 0. Therefore this differentiation 2x plus 5. After that you should find the gradient of this point coordinate of this point 2, 3, the x coordinate 2. You should take the x coordinate and you should substitute here. Now we'll see f dash x equal 2x means 2 into x, 2 into that x coordinate 2 plus 5. Therefore 2 into 2 4 plus 5. Therefore you have 9. Therefore f dash x 9. Therefore gradient at the point 2, 3, 9. Gradient means slope of the curve. We'll see this question, question number 7, y equal 2x square plus 1 over x square. Here they ask first dy over dx, first derivatives. Second they ask d square y over dx square. This is the second derivative. First you should find the first derivative. After that you should differentiate again. You can find the d square y over dx square. Now we'll see. First you should simplify this function y equal 2x squared. You should take this denominator up plus x power minus 2. Now you can differentiate dy over dx equal, you should take this 2, therefore 2 into 2 x, this you should take this minus 2 here, therefore plus and minus minus, plus into minus minus, x power minus 2 minus 1, x to the power minus 2 minus 1. Now you can write 2 into 2 4 x minus x power minus 2 minus 1. You can write minus 3. This is the first derivative dy over dx. We will see second derivative. This is the first derivative answer. After that you should differentiate again, that is d squared y over dx squared equal, when you differentiate this 4x 4, this one you should take this minus 3 front, you have minus, earlier you have minus, into minus 3 x power minus 3 minus 1. You should take this minus 3 front, this minus 3, this earlier minus, this minus, x power minus 3 minus 1. It is 4 minus into minus plus 3 x power minus 3 minus 1 minus 4. You can change it as positive indices. You should bring down this one, x power 4. There were 3 over x over 4 is the answer. 3 over x over 4. This is the numerator part. You change it to denominator part. Minus 4, change it to plus 4. We'll see this question is some different variable y equal 3t cube plus 2t square plus 4. Here independent variable t is the independent variable, a dependent variable y. Therefore here you should differentiate like this, dy over dt, dy over dt, dy over dt. Therefore this 3 is there. When you take front, 3 into 3 t to the power 2 plus you should take this 2 into 2 t to the power 1. This differentiation of number 0. Therefore your answer should be 3 into 3 9t squared plus 4t. This is a differentiate y with respect to t. Therefore dy over dt. Finally, we will see this question y equal x plus 4 holding cube. This one now you should expand this x plus 4 holding cube. When you expand this, x cube plus 3 into x squared into 4 plus 3 into x 4 to the power 2 plus 4 cube. This is the expansion of x plus 4 holding cube. Now you can simplify this x cube. Here 3 into 4 12 x squared. This one 3 into 4 squared 48x. 4 to the power cube 64. Now you can differentiate this dy over dx. It is 3x squared. This you should take this 2 front. There are 2 into 12 into 2 into x over 1. Here when you differentiate 48x 48, this differentiation of this number 0. Therefore you can simplify this one. 3 into x squared. Here 12 into 2 24x. This is 48. You should write 48. Finally you should write the 48. Therefore this is the answer. 3x squared plus 24x plus 48. This one more power, the x plus 4 holding cube. This is more power. It is easy to solve by using the chain rule. We will meet next class on the chain rule. Okay students, bye bye.